Man hears strange sound during hike. Moments later sees something that stops him cold. 20-year-old Troy May was with his fiancée and friend in the Washington wilderness, but their peace was suddenly broken by a strange, faint sound echoing through the trees. At first no one could place it. Then it came again. They followed the sound and spotted something that left them stunned. It was a woman lying alone near the edge of the trail, clearly hurt. Her leg was twisted badly. Later they'd learn why she was there. Every year, the woman, Ursula Bannister, made the tough 3-mile hike to the High Rock Lookout, the place where she had scattered her mother's ashes over 20 years ago. But this time, while heading back down, she stepped into a hidden hole and fell. Her leg was broken in 3 places. With no phone service, she had cried out, hoping someone might hear. And someone did. Troy, who is an Air Force airman, quickly realized help was hours away. Without hesitating, he offered to carry Ursula down the mountain himself. It took over 3 hours on the narrow, rocky trail. Others pitched in. Someone built a splint from branches. Another coached her breathing through the pain. Ursula kept talking about her childhood, her life, anything to keep her mind off the injury. She was rushed to the hospital where doctors confirmed she had broken her tibia, fibula, and heel. Ursula underwent surgery, and with screws and a titanium plate in her leg, she began to recover. The young airman who carried her down was later honored with a military medal for his bravery. But for Ursula, the real reward was something deeper. In her hardest moment, strangers had become rescuers, and kindness had shown up when she least expected it. The memory of her fall will stay with her, but so will something stronger. The feeling of being lifted up, not just physically, but by the kindness of people who didn't even know her name. And now, after their chance meeting, they had become friends who to this day have kept in touch.